I'm about to open it, but I'm gonna open it with you guys, so make sure we all see it together. Hey beautiful people, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in, and if you are new here, welcome. My channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. If that sounds like something you are interested in, please consider pressing that subscribe button, please. Besides that, let's go ahead and hop into the video. Alright you guys, so I just took a trip to Sephora and spent $70 on 2 items. When I was up there, I was like, do I really need this Fenty Beauty? It's Riri, so of course I do. Right here, I have the first Diamond Bomb, which is bomb. Just everything about it, the packaging is just beautiful. So, we're gonna go ahead and compare that to the second one. We will also be looking at their liquid Diamond Bomb, which is really cute. So let's go ahead and take this out the bag. I'm just gonna start off already like with the packaging. Look at the boxes, like, Riri, you did it again. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Like, you're getting all the iridescentness, and it looks like snowfall, and it has that texture on there. You guys, I wish you can feel it right now. Like, I'm pretty sure you can hear it, so that's good enough. So this one is the Diamond Bomb, and this one is the Liquid Bomb. Okay, so before I went to Sephora to go buy the Liquid Bomb, I had seen the Liquid Bomb online. I was looking at it, and I swore that that thing was like this size. Only to come to find out it's not. It's like a little baby liquid thing. Yes, looking right here, it is close to this box, but taking it out is like totally different from the size of the Kabuki brush. And I thought it was the size of the Kabuki brush the whole time. I can already feel the emotions. It's just so beautiful. I'm about to open it, but I'm gonna open it with you guys, so make sure we all see it together. Like, look at that. It's like, look at that. Like a snowflake. And that's the vibes that you're getting from the box. It is so beautiful. And some people don't like to do glitter like an everyday thing, but I wear this like no tomorrow, and it is really cute to be putting on top of some eyeshadow. That's the first one, and then the second one is just gonna, they're just gonna be sisters. All right you guys, we're gonna now look at some swatches. I'm gonna swatch them both on my hand. All right, so this is the first one, and this is the second one. First one, second one, first one, second one. You can see the difference in these two. And this one goes great with my outfit, so I may be putting that one on last, but then I had the liquid, so I don't know. But this is so cute. This is really cute. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna get this Kabuki brush. They also came out with a miniature size Kabuki brush that is the size of the Liquid Diamond Bomb. Obviously those two go together, but I don't see a point in getting one if I already have the Kabuki brush. Waste of money, doesn't make sense. Okay, so first we're gonna go ahead and look at the Fenty Beauty Bomb 1. So this shoulder is gonna be 1, and this shoulder is gonna be 2. You already know how this goes. all the beauty all over my shoulder. Let's go ahead and compare that right now. I don't even want to touch it, it's so beautiful. But let's do this. Okay, I'm getting the glitter. That is the second one, and this is the first one. If you see, I see like a goldish look to it. It's not the exact same thing. Starting with the box, snow glow vibes. Really, really cute. And it's like nail polish. You hear the little clickety clack clacks? That's cute. Okay, so this one I'm gonna go ahead and just put on my chest. Mine as well, since my shoulders have been taken by the other two. Here goes. Just gonna like, oh my gosh, you don't even need a lot of this. Okay. I don't even know what I don't even know what I was doing. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, so maybe you have to like rub it in. It looked like it was gonna get stuck like that, for real. Nope. Nope, I got my chest full of glitter. And it is just fine with me. I'm trying to get it all. Okay, I started mixing this in as soon as I put it on. So like, what? So cute. This is really cute. This is really cute. I love it all. So basically, if you want to put on, this is like basically the first Diamond Bomb in liquid form. Basically, you know, Diamond Bomb, liquid Diamond Bomb. That is what it is. So if you prefer liquid, go ahead and get it. If not, you can go ahead and just stick with the original. These two are beautiful sisters. Beautiful. Just loving them. Like, and then the fact that this has the iridescentness. Like, I love anything iridescent. Like, you guys don't know that, but you know it now. Anything iridescent, especially like with eyeshadow and all that, just so beautiful. This is really good. Just, I feel like it dried up fast for some reason. Like, it got stuck in that spot. Like, I thought it would move around more. Well, obviously moved around a lot because it's glitter. But you know, you guys saw how it just like stuck to the skin a bit, you know? Hot or not, really hot. I love myself some Fenty Beauty. Always coming out with all the good stuff. Sometimes the price isn't convenient at the moment, but when you can finally get it, it is so worth it. So you guys can go ahead and go out and get your Diamond Bombs. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I just did, you know, glitter lovers like me. Thank you so much for tuning into Real Divine. If you have not yet, please press like and that subscribe button. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day because you guys are all beautiful people.